In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on my recent beauty empties. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos Mondays and Fridays. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I know that I did one of these a couple months ago, but we have some more beauty empties because I have still been using beauty products even though we have been in quarantine. So yeah, I just want to share those with you. The first one that I have is this dry shampoo from Not Your Mother's. I think it's empty. I might actually be able to get one or two more uses out of this, but I'm gonna go ahead and include it in this empties video. I actually did like this pretty well, which is surprising because I think I've mentioned it on my channel before. Depending on the order that I upload the videos, I do have a video on Monet products coming up soon. Anyway, I don't know, it's just been kind of difficult for me to find a dry shampoo that I've liked, at least in the past. I do like the one from Monet, but this I actually did really like as well. I don't know if I would repurchase it in the future, but maybe. But I do like this. This is specifically Chia Blend and French Plum Seed Oil, the Volume Boost Tapioca and Rice Dry Shampoo, unscented for fine hair. This is a very, this is a very long title, but in case you're curious, that is what this one is. The next thing, this took me a while to use up. These are the Detox pads. I got this in one of my FabFitFuns. I did like these, but I don't know if I could say, because I have recently updated my skincare in general, just with other products as well. So I can't necessarily say that this was a game changer for my skin. Also, I didn't use it necessarily like the 60 pads. It comes with 60 pads. I didn't necessarily use them, 60 days in a row or anything like that. I do like this product, but I don't know if I would purchase it in the future because it's not inexpensive from what I remember, but I did like this product. The next thing, I have a little bit of this left, and yes, I will get the rest of this out. But as you can see, it can go ahead and be included in this empties as well. This is the Body Shop Shea Nourishing Body Butter, and I love this. I love this scent. I've spoken about it several times. It's probably one of my all-time favorite scents, or at least it's one of my all-time favorite current scents. I love this. It smells so good, I think, and I, once again, just wanted to let you know, in case you were curious, I still love this body butter. This is an exfoliator that I forgot to mention in my last empties, so yes, I did save this to mention in this empties. I did really like this. This is another product that I got from a FabFitFun. Actually, this one I believe was from one of my friends because this just wasn't her favorite thing. So she gave this to me, thank you. This is a scrub, that's the word I'm looking for, and I did really like it. Actually, I currently have another body scrub that I'm using, so I don't know about repurchasing this, maybe if I found it on sale or something like that. I don't know. I like something like that. I like to be able to change up. I did like it, but I kind of like to be able to change that up. The next thing that I have to mention is this Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This I received as a gift from one of my friends as well, and I really loved this. I believe that she purchased it on the FabFitFun edit sale, and especially if it goes on sale on the FabFitFun edit sale in the future, I will probably want to pick this up. I do like Somerville personally, and it is a good cleanser, but full price, I believe this is $38. So personally, I would like to find it on sale, but this is a good cleanser, I think. I finally used up one of the, this Cetaphil, however you pronounce it, the oil absorbing moisturizer. This I find lasts for a pretty long time. I mean, especially sometimes I do use a face moisturizer that has like a little bit of self tanner and sunscreen in it as well. Maybe that's also why this lasts for a long time, because I don't necessarily use this as my everyday moisturizer, but I do really like this. I have used this product for years, obviously not the same bottle, but I have used this product for quite a while and I do really like it. I finally used up, actually I have two toners, and I finally used both of them up, obviously, since it's in my empties. This is the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh toner. To be honest, I don't know if I would repurchase it in the future. I did like having it as a toner. I guess the toner is something that I kind of am fine with changing up as well. But also, I don't know like how effective it would be for my skin personally, because I do have oily skin. I think I just got this because I wanted to try it out, and I don't know. I would be willing. I would definitely try out other toners in the future, especially since I'm using one currently that I got in a FabFitFun. The next toner that I got, this was in a little gift set that I actually was able to get on sale. This is the GLAMGLOW Super Toner This is the exfoliating acid solution toner. I did find that this was a little bit stronger on my skin. I don't think I have like overly sensitive skin, but I did notice like this was definitely stronger. I could tell the difference between this being stronger than the Hydra Fresh toner. Obviously, for example, I don't know if I would buy this full price. It was a little bit stronger, but also GLAMGLOW isn't an inexpensive brand, so I didn't dislike it, but I just don't know if I would buy it in the future, you know what I'm saying? I used up one of the CLARISONIC brush heads, and if you missed my latest Ulta video, unfortunately, I forgot to order those whenever they were on sale. I'm actually not currently using my CLARISONIC, not to say that I'll never use it again. I obviously do still have my CLARISONIC, but I just don't have a current brush to use with it, so whenever they go on sale, I will most likely probably pick those up again. I just don't like paying full price for those. You know me, I like saving money. Next up, I actually forgot about this and I had it mostly used up, but I just went ahead and finished up the rest of this. This is the Purity Made Simple Micellar water. I think I got this on sale, or it was part of a kit. I want to say I might have got this on sale. Just because I really like the Garnier Micellar water, I would probably stick to getting that one in the future because I believe it is more affordable than the Purity Made Simple. But I do like Philosophy. I'm not currently using the Philosophy cleanser, but I do have the Purity Made Simple lotion that I do use as one of my lotions at nighttime. Actually, it's my only one that I'm using right now because I use it at this Kate Somerville, but we'll get to this in a second. This was not a bad product, but I would probably just personally stick to the Garnier one, or at least at the time being, just because that is more affordable. And as I kind of already alluded, I used up the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I did really like this as well, so definitely if this is on sale on a FabFitFun edit sale in the future, I will definitely pick this up because, once again, for the 50th time in this video, I like saving money, but I do really like Kate Somerville, or at least the Kate Somerville products that I have tried out. I do like those, and this was definitely moisturizing. I know I have oily skin, but also I used this more in the winter months as well. Now I did just finish using it because, you know, obviously it lasted me for a little while. I did really like this. I don't think it was like too heavy for my oily skin. At least personally, I didn't find that being a problem. I used up a Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. I did like this, but I'm currently using micellar water as my eye makeup remover, and I like that option because, if anything, it is one less skincare product for me to get. So I did like this, but at least for the time being, I'm just going to probably stick with using the Garnier Micellar water. The next thing that I used up was another thing that I got from my FabFitFun. This is the thisworks Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. I did like this, but I don't know, I feel like I was on the fence about the scent because I kind of liked it, but then maybe it was like too strong for me personally. I don't know. I did like this, but once again, I probably will not repurchase this because I want to say full price. I think it's around $40, and this is only 3.3 fluid ounces. I do like that I got it in my FabFitFun because obviously I like lotion, but I just can't see myself purchasing it. The next thing that I used up, I used this for a while because the packaging is totally not there anymore. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow. I have the shade 3. This lasted a long time as well. I have one that I'm currently using, and then I think I have a backup after that, thankfully. So obviously I do like the product and I see myself purchasing it in the future, or at least, you know, using that product for the foreseeable future based on the fact that I have two right now that I like. I mean, I would be open to trying other brow products probably, but I definitely picked those up whenever they were on sale at Ulta because I knew that I liked the product. That was just kind of a good time to stock up on that product. If you liked this video, I think you'll also really like this video right here. Just click right here to check that out. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.